It's a 6-barreled electrically driven machine gun, firing 3,000 rounds per minute. They call it a fight stopper, and you can see why. These miniguns can fire 3,000 rounds a minute with a range of a mile. With that kind of firepower, safety at every stage is paramount. Mr. Smith tells me that the enemy calls it steel rain, because no one can dodge these raindrops. Miniguns are capable of long periods of continuous fire without threat or damage to the weapon. That makes them an excellent choice for defense suppression. Mission accomplished. Those bad boys won't be bothering me.